Having a solid brand strategy is really important when it comes to building a brand and building out your brand's visual identity. However, I find a lot of people skip over the brand strategy portion and go straight to designing the logos, picking out the colors, and all of those things without actually considering the strategy behind the reason they're making their design decisions. So today I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite brand strategy questions that I ask my clients when we start working together. Hello, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kinsey. I'm the brand and web designer behind Kinsey Green Design. If you're not new, welcome back. All right, we're gonna jump right into this. And before I go any further, I just wanna make a little note here that some of these questions may seem really simple, but a lot of times when I ask my clients these questions, they often tell me that they've never even thought about the answers to them. One of the most important questions I ask my clients is, who do you think is your ideal client and or customer? Now, sometimes people will give really general answers like women between the ages of 30 and 50, but the answer to this question should actually be much more specific. It should go over everything from their ideal client or customer's age, lifestyle, hobbies, interest, education, pay, because all of those things play a huge role in the design decisions that you make. And if I ask my clients this question and they don't really know the answer or they're very unsure, I will do my own research to ensure that their idea of an ideal customer and or client is the people and or person that we should actually be targeting with their brand. Question number 2 that I find really important is, how do you want to make your customers and or clients feel through using your brand? This is a really important question because it plays into the overall branding experience. Do you want your clients to feel confident? Do you want them to feel excited? Do you want them to feel happy? Do you want them to find clarity? The answer to this question can tell a lot about how you may want to structure the way you do business and the types of things that you offer. Number 3 is another super important question. This is, what problems do your dream clients and or customers face that you bring a solution to? Now, this question is so important because it can tell a lot of things about your brand and or how you're different from competitors. When my clients answer this question, it gives me a better sense of why they're different, what makes them stand out, and what we need to be communicating to their ideal customers and or clients when building their brand. Number 4, what makes your business different from others? Now, I like to ask my clients this to see what they'll say, because sometimes they have a certain perspective or idea in their mind that I may not have as an outsider, and I can also bring my ideas into the picture as an outsider of their brand as to why I think they're different. And number 5, where do you see your business in 5 years? This can really help me make appropriate design decisions for my client, especially when it comes to website building, because I get a really good look at their long-term goals and can ensure that the decisions we're making will reflect those long-term goals and will work for them for years to come. All right, that is it for my top 5 brand strategy questions I love to ask my clients that you should also be asking yourself as you're building out your own brand. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.